Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. I am doing a foundation test today. I'm going to cover half of my face and tell you whether I think this is good or not. My girlfriend actually lent me this and told me to try it out. I've never seen or heard this brand, but I guess it's more popular than I realized. You can only get this online. This is called Glossier. It's a perfecting skin tint. And it's funny because can you hear that? It's very, very liquidy. It actually has specific directions that says shake then smooth over moisturized skin with fingertips, blend upward. So we're gonna go ahead and just try it on half the face. This sucker is kind of expensive, which I was really surprised. I have some other Glossier products here, but this better be like gold for this price. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you what it looks like. So I already shook it pretty well. It is, can you look at that? It is just like, I mean, hopefully that these are very, very pigmented because it is extremely, extremely runny. So let's go ahead and try it on this side of the face. You guys can see my freckles right here. And let's see if it covers. Okay guys, so I'm just fanning it because it does have like a tad bit of an oily feel to it, and I'm thinking that it will dry down. Do you see a difference? Literally, like, this is half of my face done. So all I'm gonna say is it just gave me like a pinch of color. I don't really see a huge difference. Do you see a huge difference? I mean, you can even see my redness through it. Okay, so this is not covered, this pimple. I know I'm showing you guys my pimples. And this was covered. Do they look much different? No, this is just a pinch redder, but this is still red. It didn't do anything. It just kind of feels like I put a moisturizer on my skin, honestly. I honestly personally think that you can get tinted moisturizer that's better than this. Or even like this Garnier Skin Active BB Cream with SPF had more coverage in this, and it's 100 times cheaper than this. I'm just gonna give this product a complete fail. I am very disappointed. Why would you charge this much money for a product that didn't do anything? I mean, okay, maybe it gave me just a little bit of coverage because you can see how red I am here. And it's like a diminished red there. Maybe if you have like perfect skin and you just want that natural glow to where it looks like you have like hardly any makeup on, then go get this. But why? Why when you can go get a BB cream that has SPF and all this good stuff for your skin and protect your skin? It's like, protect your skin for half the price. Spend like quadruple the amount of money to do nothing. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Totally sucks, this product. But I hope you guys enjoyed this review. And I hope you don't think this review sucks. And if you could, please hit that thumbs up button, the little subscribe button, tiny little bell next to it for notifications of new videos. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.